Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Shari Boo. Thank you for clicking on this video. We are at the park. Royalty is getting wet. I went to take her over to this sprinklers not too far from my house, but it doesn't seem like that's no longer it's basically not a sprinklers anymore. So but this water, woo, it feels so good. Me getting up my lane. Royce, come with your feet. We got.
Are those waterproof?
What?
So.
Yeah, kind of. I could get wet in them. They ain't gonna hurt me. All right. But you want to do the most.
I want to.
Yeah, so I'm only gonna stay about an hour because the heat, I'm over my hair, y'all. But the heat bothers Royalty skin. So let me put my feet.
My feet are already getting blocked. Move. Go to your big vacuum. I'm pretending I'm holding you. That's it.
Let's go, Royalty. My daughter said it's too many bugs up in this park. So now we're gonna make a quick Starbucks run, which is right across the street. That's the thing about the city. Like, no matter where you go, it's just everything is convenient. It's still not worth it what you gotta deal with in the city and the madness part. But the best thing about it is that there's a store that is always open. Always. So now we are going to Starbucks. What are you getting out of Starbucks? One thing. Bye, y'all. She's too much. She want everything. They were definitely playing a popular song, so I had to silence the volume so I don't get copyright. But listen, if you have not tried the chocolate chip chunk cookie at Starbucks, what are you waiting for? Not like a Starbucks chocolate chip chunk cookie.
Hi guys.
Starbucks, they could get my money any day for that cookie, for the cookie, and she liked the cake pops. I'm not really a fan of cake pops, but the cookie, yeah, I love me a nice soft baked cookie. But now we going home. I need to do my eyebrows again. Y'all are not gonna believe I'm over my hair being short.
Why did you cut it?
And I cut it because if you watch my last vlog, not the last one, but some months back, the middle of my head was gone. The hair was gone. And I feel like that was due because lack of care while it was permed. I just permed it and just thought, whatever, like I permed it and that's just it. Not knowing you have to take care of perm while it's in your hair, while your hair is permed. If it makes sense. So So I'm over my hair being short. I didn't even really rock it the way I wanted to rock it, because I told you I wanted to color it and stuff like that. But I'm over it now, and I just want it to grow back, and I want fall to hurry up and come, and I want to put back in my clip-ins. I am a clip-in girl. Back home. Y'all. It's humid outside. And now my husband is about to get ready to come home from work. I was sitting here trying to figure out what to cook for dinner. I'm not sure. I figured out what I was gonna cook, and so I was craving tacos because I had tacos yesterday. It was Taco Tuesday, of course. I had tacos. So I wanted a taco, but I also was making like almost like a beefaroni kinda with the panini noodles. So I made some of that for everybody else. So I got me a little bowl of that. Don't mind that. That is sour cream on top of my pasta. And I got me 2 tacos here. So that's what I'm gonna eat. And yeah, and sipping my good old water. And watch me a little TV. And then after that, I'm gonna take Royalty a shower. Read with her for a little bit. She is doing really, really good in her reading. Like, that girl can read. That's why I don't like her on my phone. And I don't like her in my, because she be going to my text messages, all types of stuff. Listen, if your kids can read, you better keep them out your phone certain ways. Put a lock, something. But ain't nothing in my phone that is like inappropriate. But still, the girl can read. So get her situated for bed, because we've been going through the transition of going to bed earlier, because school is coming back in September. I know a lot of people like down south and stuff already started school, but in New York they start September 4th, I believe. So just getting her situated with that, and yeah, husband's about to come home, and then after that I'm just gonna relax. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. It wasn't a lot going on, but this is what I did today, so I was sharing it with y'all. And stay tuned to the next vlog.